This is Sigrid, and I want to go over some things about dividing fractions that are going to help you when you get to about 8th grade and beyond. So this is all about that saying that you may have learned called keep, change, flip. We're going to cover the what, the why, and the how. So the most important thing is why. This is the purpose of doing this. So we're going to be going beyond just the saying keep, change, flip. We are going to review what it is. What is keep, change, flip? We're going to talk about how to use keep, change, flip. And also we're going to talk about this is the most important thing. Why does keep, change, flip work? So that you can understand the why behind it. So what is keep, change, flip? Okay, keep, change, flip is a mnemonic device or memory aid that you may have learned about in about the 5th grade to help you to remember how to divide fractions, which was wonderful in 5th grade. That worked for you, and that was wonderful, and you got the right answer. And then now we're going to kind of review how to use keep, change, flip. Well, I have these two fractions. I have 1/5, and you're going to divide it by 2/3. So the way it works is you're going to keep the first fraction. So 1/5 is just going to stay 1/5. And then you're going to change this operation. So you have division. So instead of having division, you're going to change that to multiplication. And then you're going to flip this fraction. So let's see, the numerator is going to become the denominator, and the denominator is going to become the numerator. So now we're going to just multiply fractions like we normally do. 1 times 3 over 5 times 2, and you end up with 3 over 10. So, that does get you the right answer. It got you the right answer in 5th grade, and it still gets you the right answer. But at some point, it's really going to help you to understand the why behind keep, change, flip. So let's talk about that. So we have the same fractions, 1/5 divided by 2/3. I'm just going to rewrite that. Okay, so it's going to be 1/5 over 2/3. Okay, well, what we're going to do is we're going to use the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 halves. So we're going to multiply each of these, the numerator and the denominator, by 3 halves. So the reason we can do that is because if you have any number over itself, it equals 1. So let me just rewrite this here. And so we're going to multiply this by 3 over 2 and multiply this by 3 over 2. So we're not changing the value of this statement and this. Okay, we don't want to change the value of the overall operation. So let's see what we get. We're going to multiply these fractions. So you get 1 times 3 over 5 times 2. And that's all over 2 times 3 over 3 times 2. So we end up with, let's move this down a little bit. We end up with 3 over 10 over 6 over 6. So that's going to be 3 over 10 over 1, which equals 3 over 10. And do you see how we got the same answer? You can use keep, change, flip, but it's really important to start understanding why it works, so that you feel like you're doing something meaningful. And if you want to, you can go back and pause and rewind and look to see that on the other page 4, we got the same answer. So if you need further assistance with understanding this and or other math topics, please contact me at Thrive Math Tutoring. I'll see you in the next video.